Today I'm going to be talking about my 2025 garden expansion. As I grow in my garden, as I learn more, you want to grow more. And so I decided to add a few more beds in maybe in the future as I accomplish my goals for 2025, I may add a few more beds. But the most important part of all of this is to just experiment, have fun, have joy, and just grow with peace in your garden. So I added two more Vigo garden beds, and one configuration was 2x8, but I couldn't figure out where to put it in my garden. So I moved it everywhere there, and that didn't look right. And then I finally found my destination. This was my final destination of that one. And then my second one, I started with a 5x5, and I just didn't know where to put that one, and I didn't know if I was going to continue to keep that configuration. So it took a while, but I finally figured it out a month later. So I partially put the 5x5 together and set it out on my in my garden, and I let it sit there for about, I don't know how long, maybe a few weeks. And I kept staring at it, looking at it, and I was okay with the 2x8. I put some gopher cloth, metal cloth underneath. And then here, I guess here we are today, January the 18th. I decided I wanted it back into a 3.5 by 6. I think it's 6.5 foot or 6 foot long. So it's a little bit more narrow because I want to be able to have space to walk in between the beds, and so that's what I ended up doing. So I'm imagining my 2025 garden expansion. I'm adding flowers. So I have a couple of trees. I'm thinking about bringing my lemon and lime tree over here and have all of my fruit trees over here. And then I don't know, but I might add a couple of more metal raised beds.